Big up Crosses TV.
Crafty Stevie, bad my blood clot.
To me say, to the whole blood clot crew, the whole blood clot crew of filter girls. From Abigail right down, cause none of the girl them not pretty. British everybody, the whole of them bump up cranny and spot up and them can't skin out. Remember, who don't know me burn up on cranny and I can't skin out and I can't show my grind side and I can't do the things them. Cause all the thing when I got tell me some I have cut on my face and I burn up. But in a real life, my skin clean and I can't strip naked. Them girl that can't do that. I'm on me a stress so no. Me say I connect me a stress so no blood cut. I'm tell you now, and this is on God. Me not care about no girl, me not give a fuck about no girl. Me say down a girl, I'm rich up points in my life, me not give a fuck. Like, bitch, make me on a buck anyway. I mean I tell you, anyone my buck on me, I'm not gonna go at it. So it don't make sense to come outside either. Cause once me on a buck, me on go at it.
Couldn't find a neat kind, we just have a fling piece of butter in it. Well, I know, thank your father for shine like a light cause when me a
When you notice, when you attack, if the party promoter them willing for tag, when you now come outside, Batman, the first time Batman come out in a long while, Paul's blood clot venue, nearly mash up a judgment blood clot take Paul's venue, and look how long Batman come out one party. From Batman get locked up. And Kenneth don't come one party, and Macy don't come one party, and the whole of them don't come one party. Which party wanna see mash up? What judgment on the ear? Nobody don't like them, and nobody don't wanna be around them, and them would even go away. But remember my blood clot tell you when push me, my love. I remember one man can't bear so much something, my love.
love number one production. Channel Jamie and that.
I know where them live, but I not gonna knock girl yard. I know where them live, of course, but I not gonna knock girl yard because I'm an idiot. Tell them, say, me come back one spot. Me could go one spot now. A couple girl come on the spot. We're gonna wait till couple girl come on the spot and we're gonna go live. And we're gonna have beer last and knife and we're gonna cut up yourself and chop up yourself. Cause I'm in a stone flinging with a girl. But I'm gonna bust a girl head. I'm gonna chop a girl in her head. I'm gonna chop off a girl hand. I make police come take up a girl hand. I that me the pan. Cause I depend too much blood clot chattings and the pan Instagram thing. When I depend on Instagram badness. Right now I want to show one on something on the pan and make you know say fuck that. I that my blood clot the pan with you know. Me not chattings with you know. Me not depend on a girl thing with you know. I want to bust off one on the face. Period.
AAA trusts T-Mobile to be their exclusive wireless partner because T-Mobile covers more highway miles with 5G than anyone. T-Mobile helps keep AAA connected so you're covered on the road.
Big boss, you see me here one do. You can't get the money today to do me here. You can't do me here for me.
Right now tell them say me Pebbles say them for me come in. Like how Southern Boulevard are them favorite place we can meet at Southern Boulevard. Me I give them one address to me come in. Tell them say for me come meet from Boston Road, East 174 Southern Boulevard. Me could go down there to go meet cause one East Strip that's where the girl them can run up and down. East Southern Boulevard, East 174 East Southern Boulevard. Me could go down the Boston Road.
Go with me and go with them in a brick boss. I'll go with me and go with brick boss.
But say I down in a blood class. But say, but I deal with no wicked in the blood clot Sunday, yeah. But say, but I deal with no terrible in the Sunday, yeah. I couldn't believe. But say, girl, I'm not trouble them, girl. I go to dance, girl. I'm gonna see me see them. Me used to take life for me and Alia. And I got talk. Girl, nobody not soon the girl them live them life. Me see a time and tell nobody make on rich and it broke. Me see a kill a granny. Me see a kill a granny in a blood clot. I sacrifice a granny make you get 6 years. Cause if I never sacrifice a granny yet, I get about 130 years. Cause I'm out $1 million you rob. And Kenneth, remember your blood clot upon chalk line. Kenneth, remember how much blood clot. Kenneth, allow me a blood clot load, you know. Kenneth, I have blood clot message on my phone, you know. When you had tell me, when they send English, go collect money, you know. I have the receipt them in my blood clot. Note 8, you know. Suck with blood clot, girl, and allow me alone. Alright. Girl, I'm tired of them, girl. Them the words, but I'm tired of them.
Big boss, man. See me here one do. I can't get some money today to do me ear.
I'm dear mama is not now.
You can't do me ear for me.
Mama not to one a man there. I want it. I'm dear mama man.
Go with me and go with them in a big boss.
Remember from I come America, blood clot 2021. No girl no do nothing for me. Every blood clot thing I do for myself, and I can beat my blood clot chest. And every blood clot pin in my house, and my blood clot by that. No girl no contribute to nothing in my house. What I say? I can bust a blank over any girl head. And I can tell any girl go suck them mother come here a boss lady in a blood clot. What I say? I can't beat my chest in a blood clot. The girl that let me alone, the girl that do not everything I do my blood clot do for myself. So I can't tell any girl go suck them mother.
Big boss, man. See me here one do. I can't get some money today to do me ear.
I'm dear mama is not now.
You can't do me ear for me.
Mama not to one a man there. I want it. I'm dear mama man.
Go with me and go with them in a big boss.
I
go with me and go with big boss.
I love them and I love them.
But I go with me and go with big boss.
Remember, I own one limit one man can blood clot. I want to always remember, say no man is an island. No man is a blood clot island. I remember I tell you, say, America was my blood clot last stop. I remember me always telling you, say, me not like foreign. You know one thing I'm glad say, the people in my community love me. I'm loving in my community. When I ramp with blood clot me, I'm showing all my head sick. I say, when I ramp with blood clot me, I'm showing all my head sick. I'm going to show all my head sick. Are you big blood clot with Phoebe? I want your blood clot ramp with me. Can you go like on a blood clot too much, you know? I only have blood clot go like on your press button. I only in real life for know the girl them hate, you know. In kind of real life, you Phoebe know Abby hate you. And Abby in a real life, you know you hate Phoebe. And the whole I only have push the button and I put me on a blood clot play with me. On a blood clot, remember I don't want a girlfriend, I don't want a validation from no girl. Cause remember in a real life, me a star. And in a real life, me own a star. I never beg on it yet. Remember in a real life, I own wear me out. Remember Abby, remember me the first girl put in her clothes. Phoebe, remember when me I wear woman clothes and I start wear woman clothes yet. I have to sit down and wait for me for my $100 and my $50 of them. So when I come go like I want to come give me the blood clot talk. Hey girl, you go suck on a mother. You never give me, you never do nothing for me yet. Phoebe, your mother, Phoebe, a 5 person will help you make run cross the border. Phoebe, remember when your mother run cross the border, what do you hear? Your mother, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, your sister, who are run cross the border. Phoebe, remember me sit down on the phone. Remember me blood clot sit down on the phone, Phoebe, with your blood clot mother. And your sister, your family, them, and make sure them reach across the border. And when I tell you, say me I take $1,000 from you, for charge you, for make them come across the border. I'm going to tell you, say you don't have 1,000, I'm going to say give me $500, I'm going to tell Kenneth, and Kenneth say, I'm mad, Pebbles. Make blood clot Phoebe, blood clot pay you. Because remember, say, I true Phoebe here, so I say me I going to send for my brother. True Phoebe here, I say me I going to send for my brother, she bad mind a blood clot. Make sure I send for family. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to say, sister, me your sister, I'm going to help you in a blood clot. I'm going to make you 5 blood clot. Your mother and your brother and the whole 5 of your family, them come American a blood clot. Yeah, I'm going to sit with them come. Your mother, they over America. Your mother, they are Mexican a blood clot. And your mother big to a rotten half. Phoebe, your mother big to a rotten half. Your mother big to a swell up. Yeah, I'm going to sit down on the phone with her. I'm going to say, Mommy, just get some Ectom salt over there. Get something, man. stuff your foot in at the sneakers, and run blood clot cross, get after the way, after do. Yeah, and this is the repair when I get, I remember when I have to text them on my phone, can't remember me to tell lie. Yeah, remember me to tell lie, I know tell the truth there, did I go come. When Kenneth tell me, say, Pebbles make Phoebe pay y'all. Cause Phoebe, true Phoebe here, me say me I got send for my blood clot, brother. Yeah, I send for your 5 family, I'm gonna help you send for your 5 family, and it not cost no judgment, and at this the reward I get. I remember Kenneth did that tell me, so I'm not for help you unless your blood clot pay me, cause you go jar cause true sugar send for your brother. I remember me make them know how to send for people across the border. I remember Kenneth them an American citizen, and Phoebe have 5 family them come cross good. I'm gonna ask you in a real life if you talk to your mother, no, your mother gonna say bad to bad. Pebbles a good girl, cause bad to bad Pebbles call me and they on the phone with me. And your sister gonna tell her the same thing too. And your cousin gonna blood clot tell her the same thing too. Cause remember Kenneth never want them blood clot reach. Remember Kenneth never want them blood clot reach. And remember when your blood clot take out your blood clot car. Remember when the blood clot take out the car, your car, Mitchell and the things them. Remember Macy and Kenneth say, you never yet call them and tell them say you bring them go on party yet. Cause you go on upon them. I remember Macy say when you come and foreign, and she take care of you upon the brown furniture them. And you never yet call her one day and say, come auntie me a carry go party. And you never call her yet one day and say, auntie come me a give $100, $200. I go and go upon them cause them say cookie corrupt you. Remember them say cookie corrupt you. So when you go tell me say, almost for the round and when the whole on the chat on the blood clot. Remember me there in the house and Kenneth tell Angel say she will take out the big book from out of the closet with Cookie name where she can lock up Cookie one. She will call Cookie and say Cookie one phone call me, she, Kina, me, she, Macy, Kina and Angel run in the house and Kenneth say Angels and Kenneth and Macy attack and them say take the book out of the closet Angel. I'll call Cookie and tell Cookie say one blood clot phone call me can make and lock up your blood clot. Remember the whole on lock up on the whole on the one of the can in a bankruptcy with a scamming. The whole on the bankruptcy with scamming the blood clot and Macy and Kenneth to the grudge Cookie in a blood clot. And that's if we don't talk about. So no grudge Cookie and eat Cookie for the life where she live. And eat Cookie and say Cookie go on at your appetite and eat them I don't know. I eat them I don't know cause the one on the corrupt against them one and eat and one another. Yeah, and I realize Phoebe don't like Kuno and don't like Phoebe. And black girl eat Phoebe in a blood clot. Black girl talk on me a class Phoebe and talk on me a class scatter. Black girl talk on me a class cat and a blood clot. They say why your man come in here house say you want blood clot peace. And you can't get no peace no blood clot in your house. Black girl talk on me say you can't get no peace in your house and cat would even go buy one bed. Oh cat come and find how much ears and cat would even go buy one blood clot bed. When you come make a reason. Cause right now I tell truth time. Black girl talk on me a class scatter. I me a class cause you say Sky can't sleep on your bed. Sky them have to come and the couch after mash up. Sky them have to sleep on this couch. You say this couch after match up worse you move. You say worse black data make you move. Remember black data make you get move out to your apartment and you look apartment now. Black girl. Remember right now you're supposed to homeless. Because you don't have an apartment, you're supposed to look apartment car. Cara come bust up your head. Cara beat you and bust up your head up on your apartment no blood clot. Cara beat you and bust up your head up on your apartment no blood clot and make you get notice. Yeah. Cara beat you and bust up your head up on your apartment and make you get notice no blood clot. And I only and them must say, and I mean you want to fight you some black girl. Remember I made the first Batman put you in a woman clothes. Black girl, I mean the first girl, make you all 120 pack in it and one right way. Remember I mean the first girl put it in her clothes and say go outside, go catch man. So only for come go like you want to go upon me. Phoebe, remember the first, Phoebe, remember I know you as Kevin, the boy, the fat boy with the mango from down a blood clot boy. Phoebe, remember when you have to wait for me for catch man for my $200 of them. So only for come go like you want to come go upon me. In a real life, me a star phone. Me say, remember over the years, me never used to run behind you yet. Cause remember you used to take the same man. Come here, you don't know one. Me say in a real life, remember me never used to run behind you. Remember me and you used to take the same man. I remember you fuck off for me. I remember me always a gear run for your money when you have millions. Me say remember when you have millions, remember me always a gear run for your money. I remember me you always I forgot what it. And if you have a one dress for 100,000, me I go burn up a man come have a one dress for 160,000. Yeah, I remember Kenneth, remember you never have nothing over me. Cause if I get gunshot today, I pay a fee today, I give back the money tomorrow. Kenneth, remember I pay how much rent for you. Kenneth, I whole heap of money you have for me. All of the girls them I wanna power with, I have blood clot. History, what I know. I remember over the years them I never wear none of the clothes them yet. Remember over the years, I never had anything gonna give me it after brand new car. Remember, I'm gonna run joke. Remember, I'm a boss pale, but say. Yeah, remember me first. I always do the things them phone from TikTok and toddler. Remember, every girl will come out on the road. When come out, come blood clots see me. And I'm showing how to make money. And I'm first put it in a panty. And I'm first put a makeup on the face. So if you come go like you want to come go and pay me, not about to only a zero. Only a blood clot zero. Only a blood clot zero. Kenneth a whole heap of rent my blood clot pay for you. Kenneth my go blood clot Germany. You make my blood clot left from Germany. Can you tell me say I got married me? I'm come to Jamaica. I'm a big got how much in blood clot money I'm give you still never done for me. My mother send me come to America. I'm a mother blood clot send me come to America. And from I come to America you never give me $100 yet. And if me I come to your blood clot yard, my offer carry one buckle or anything. But at the shelter, you never yet call me and ask me for alright. So when you have blood clot, tell me, say, I like you know. Team blood clot better body that my blood clot say. The only set of girl that care about girl will have things out of the blood clot. Big up blood clot, Alia. I'm here for talk that 100 times and big up blood clot, Shannon. Yeah, I'm now stop blood clot. I'm for big up blood clot, Ali, and big up blood clot, Shannon. Yeah, cause them girl said do the right thing. My after blood clot, I want she wicked, and she have her ways and she terrible. Yeah, my after blood clot, big up Alia. Yeah, my after big up cause one thing I love, sugar classy and sugar tell you the things them, but in real life and the right things them sugar tell you. And big up blood clot, my body, Shannon. Cause the girls them said do the blood clot right thing, so when you go tell me say? When you go blood clot tell me say? When you go tell me say? What when he's going to tell me say? Kenneth me never sleep with your house yet from I come America. From I come America, Kenneth me never sleep with your house yet. Cause remember me live 2 minutes away from you at the shelter. So even if I come from one party and I run in your house, ask Angel, anybody who willing to talk, I not sleep in your house. But then in your living room till 6 o'clock and then I go around. I not sleep in your house. Cause remember when I there in Jamaica, you gotta tell me say you have to get up and scam. So you have to wake up. So I make my priority and I set myself and I set to myself say, when I come to America, I can't go Kenneth yard go sleep. And you must have wonder, Kenneth, I never sleep with your yard from I come to America. I never sleep in your yard yet from I come to America. I sleep at Abby yard. I'm a sleeper at Abby bed. I'm entitled for sleep at Abby bed. I'm entitled for sleep at Abby yard. Cause I'm the first Batman put Abby in a ear. And I'm the first Batman put Abby in a panty. I'm the first Batman put Abby outside and say go outside go catch man. I'm the first girl want 20 pack in her hand. I mean, the first girl put one good human ear pan. Abby make sense here. So, at the end of the day, them entitled for anything for me. Ask them which girl. Can I tell my mother? And I swear, and this is on God, if I lie me I tell. Over the 14 years, I know Kenneth. Kenneth never buy me one suit of clothes yet. I always have my money. One thing she can say. One thing with a Batman there, if I go have him close, I don't like you know. I don't like you know, only for one blood clot tell me, Me and my blood clot friend have differences. Only I gotta tell me I can't chat to Say&She, I can't chat to my friend. I'm a blood clot friend. Only can't tell me about my blood clot friend. I mean my friend have differences. I'm my blood clot friend. I'm my friend. Me and Aishana friend. Me and Aishana come from the gully. Remember me and Aishana sleep on one cardboard. Me see me ain't never sleep yet. Me see the first time I see her sleep in a Kenneth couch and I be a little water you drain. Me all of the video knowing on my phone. Me see, remember me and Kenneth make a come around the yard and when I come around the yard, me and Kenneth literally drunk off herself just for look by and laugh. What me say? Me and Kenneth literally drink rum, me say, for look by your laugh. Me say a real life, me I tell you. Me say, if you send one plate of food now, go get Kenneth. Me say, and this is on God. I'm gonna put my niece in a batty thing. But my niece and my aunt, and my niece and my everything, I'm gonna tell you this. Me say, if you send one food, go get Kenneth now. I get around at the yard. If I send one plate of food again now, she not eat it. Me say, Kenneth not eat. Kenneth eat it. Kenneth afraid of you. And I tell me a blood clot tell you that in a real life. Only just blood clot love me. And that me I tell you, only just blood clot love me. Cause I some if I ever talk some blood clot things. If I ever blood clot talk some blood clot things, I Phoebe me see her run up in them some things that them talk about blood clot to you. Hey Alexa, YouTube. On a blood clot love me. Hey Alexa, YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
Girl, me and Aishana and Say&She them not have nothing. More than we and the girls, me and the girls them have internet beef like any other else girl. Me say they pay for kill me and Kenneth. So if I'm not for chat to no girl, I may say I'm not for chat to. Yeah. Me and blood clot, Aishana them a come from the gully. Me and Aishana run up and down and shot fire off of me and her. I'm a 7 now make them kill her in a blood clot, one nation under God. When me there Jamaica, Aishana send me one heap of money and one heap of credit. Mason, Kenneth never send me $50 when she there foreign yet. And Kenneth never carry one suit of clothes from me for when she a travel yet. Ask her. I'm a mother and she's an American. And ask her if she ever, when she a travel from America, if she ever carry one tights come give me it at Jamaica. Wanna ask her. I tryna send me credit. I tryna send me money. I'ma say one nation under God. No girl to Sean and no girl to my blood clot bestie. Yeah, no girl to Claudia but up and that my blood clot say one nation under God. Yeah. So I go suck on the mother and dead that my blood clot say. Remember when I do nothing for me. I remember when I never used to do nothing for me. Yeah. When I now come outside nice. When the blood clot come outside nice. So what's the problem? When the depend on the now go outside, go mix with the people. Nobody know why I mix with you know? Nobody walk out to the power with my blood clot and you know see why I cut, you have to get black. You have to get black. You know see why blood clot cut me a road runner. Me is a blood clot road runner. Remember I'm telling us me that road runner. Remember I'm telling us me is a rat. Remember me is a blood clot road runner. Anything when I say yes, that me is. Me say nobody don't like you know. Kenneth nobody don't like you know. When they depend on the now come mix with certain type of people. And some promoter want key party. When they now mix with certain type of people, they stay at home. Cause when they're not coming outside and no violence now go on. If you look for your Instagram, when you look for Kenneth and me say, look for your Instagram, everybody a post. No drama go on weekend, Marsha, the party was so nice. No drama. Everybody enjoy themselves because what? The ugly people them never there. I hear ya road them and bury money and don't pay you back. Tana and Shana, I hears me a blood clot lend them money and them the blood clot pay me back. Them for blood clot we allow you. Shana in a real life friend, me tell her them girl. Girl in a real life, me tell her them. I mean I really want, you know, internet badness with them, my friend. Them for move them blood clot and go. I hold it for money my blood clot give them and them not give me back. Them borrow how much money from me and them not give me back. Can you take all me all your life? Can you take all me all your blood clot life? You owe me all your blood clot. A friend here I Shana come from and them not gonna see me have a friend who are. All together me and her a friend. You don't know I said I real from my stepmother? Remember Paul and my father? I Shana I'm a good stepmother, you know? I was telling now blood clot killer, one nation under God. Remember only for shot bust off a blood clot me and her. No shot never bust off. Me and her sleep on one blood clot cardboard. And mouth water run from me and her mouth. Me don't know how to kill it from nowhere. Me and her grow. Me and Aishana grow. Me and Aishana come from downtown from Aishana and South Skillian and time. You don't know Aishana when Aishana and South Skillian and time? What you talk about? Onion and them something there? So when you gonna say when you got blood clot say